Get the fuck over! Fucking dickheads. 538 ES7. Look at this fuckwit.
Don't you know you can't drive a piece of shit like that on the highway?
Fucking idiot. Jesus Christ. Bloody moron was going to pull right out in front of me then. Good on you, mate. Pushing your way in. What are you doing? Just going through a fucking red light, you idiot. Oh, fucking hell. You are a dumbass. Don't even fucking think about it. What are you doing?
Were you born an asshole, or did you practice your whole life? Either way it worked out fine, 'cause you're an asshole tonight. Well, you're an A-S-S-H-O-L-E, and don't you try to blame it on me. You deserve all the credit, 'cause you're an asshole tonight. You were an asshole yesterday, you're an asshole tonight. And I got this feeling you'll be an asshole the rest of your life. All right!
Who is he?
He's an asshole, sir.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Seriously. Do you have any fucking idea what you're doing?
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Left or fucking right?
Do you expect me to believe that you don't know left from right?
You may think you can do a U-turn at traffic lights if there's no sign to say you can't. But that's not the rule. It's actually illegal to do a U-turn at traffic lights unless there is a sign telling you that you can do so.
Illegal U-turn. Illegal U-turn right in front of me.
What the hell is the world coming to?
How much signal I need to cut across 8 lane? None? I turn now. Good luck, everybody else!